Hey there DIYers and treasure hunters out there. Today we're going to do a review of the Elikliv Coin Digital Microscope. This is model EDM4. I'll put a link down below where you can pick this up. And so I think in the box it came with, basically you have to assemble it together. So here it is assembled. Oops. And it also came with a USB so you can connect it to your computer, and it also has a spot for a little micro SD card so you can take pictures. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and turn this on, and yeah, we currently don't have the card inside, and oh, it's got the little safety cap there, so we'll take that off. So it does have, here I'll show you on the back, it's got some different adjustments, so it can go up and down, and then this tightens it so when you get to the spot you want. And then it also has this knob here so you can move it up and down like that. So generally for most things, put it here at the very top, and then you can control your distance there. So what we'll do is we'll get it so we are, actually I'll go ahead and move it there, and you got this fine tuning here on this right here's your fine tuning. So you get the coin into a particular spot where you want it, and you can do the fine tuning, and so you can see how clear it is and how magnified it is. See that going? Here's a quarter. See how good it gets. And let's just put in a little stone here. Has any maker's mark on it. Doesn't appear to have. Awesome. Don't see anything there. Nope. So there's that. Let's see if we can get in like closer. Let's move this down. So yeah, so you can get it even closer. And look inside there, you can see the patina around. So it lets you get in there pretty close. Okay, I'll put this in here. Let's see if this actually does have a maker's mark. And this is, it's like you can see, look at all the little fine scratches and everything in there. So let's go ahead and move this up. Actually, move it up higher so you can actually see. There we go. So you can see this is sterling, and it's got a FG. This is actually an engraved stone. There's individual etchings on this. It's a deer. Put all that fine intricate work. Anyway, so you can pretty much put anything there you want to magnify and look at, fine detail, and determine what you got. And again, this is the Elikliv Coin Digital Microscope. And of course, you can do more than just coins, but pretty much anything that's fairly flat. It's got these little clips here where you can secure something that's a little larger. But again, I'll put a link below where you can pick this up. And I think it's actually got a brightness on the side, so you can control that. And it's got other settings on the menu, like I guess you can control the number of pixels, so the size of the file. There's like 2 megapixel, that's 1080p. And I think you have some navigation, like once you take pictures you can go through them with these arrows. So anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe below, hit the notification for upcoming videos, and please comment below. And until next time.